We're located in Germain, a small village to the west of Saint-Quentin in the Aisne department.
We are a partnership of 2 farmers. We grow potatoes, sugar beet, vegetables, and a little spinach for canning.
We have been forward farming for 2 years. Our aim is to promote our practices and develop our farming business.
We have a special relationship based on trust, and we can talk about things. We introduce measures for biodiversity, for protecting operators, testing new technologies and tools that support our decision-making.
We set up 2 hives on the farm. It is really interesting because we can see how the bees work. In terms of communication, this helps us talk to the general public about agriculture and farming practices. And we can also show that it's possible to use the sprayer without affecting our bee population. Of course, this means that we choose to treat the crops at a time when the bees are in the hive.
We have up to 30-hectare plots. We sow a strip of corn in a field of wheat to provide cover for game after the harvest. And we leave strips of grass that make habitats for breeding areas for other animals.
We set up an area for filling and cleaning the equipment with a system for separating the washing water from the sludge, which goes into a settler, to ensure that the wastewater, which contains crop protection product, does not pollute the environment. The wastewater is captured and cleaned in the phytobac.
The important thing is to pass on details of what works well. We've already done many things on the farm, but there is still a lot to do. The idea behind sustainable agriculture is to be able to leave a legacy for the future, so things can carry on. I followed in my father's footsteps, becoming a farmer, being outdoors and in the open air.
When my father retired, he could see I was interested in being a farmer. I couldn't imagine myself doing anything else. You could say that farmers help to develop the landscape, and that is what I love doing.